Hi everyone, today I bring you flowers. Simple little spring flowers for a craft. I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and you can paint it just like I did. Simple paintbrush, color any paint that you have at home. And so I cut the flowers just like this. They're gonna, just like this, see? And you put your rocks in the bottom. You can do rocks from outside, anything that you have. You should fill it up with pretty flowers. Great little gift to make someone happy, to make someone's day. You can use your mom's flowers from the garden as long as you ask her. Don't forget, don't just go ask before, okay? And see, it's going to look like this, and you close it. Cute little simple gift that you have, anything that you have from home. You can use white rocks, you can use black rocks, you can paint it. Then I don't have an extra pot, but I bought also this at the Dollar Tree. And see, you can just put your little flowers, cut them, and put them in here. Cute little gift to brighten somebody's day. Thank you guys. See you next time.